Day 5 of Thinking Machine. The power of values. कैसे हमारे values से हमारे action originate होते हैं. Let's take example. There is someone in house who is overweight, who is underweight, and in their house everyone keep taunting him that you are underweight and you should increase weight. You should do everything. Should do something, and just with this belief, he starts thinking that there is only one thing, that if I increase my weight, everything will be sorted in my life. So one thought in his mind, okay, and then in 10th he go to gym. When he went to gym, he find a gym wale bhaiya who already has a good body, and he get attracted to him, and he take his advice seriously. So he said ki if you want to increase your weight, then exercises will not sufficient. You have to start drinking beer. At the time he was 10, so he don't start drinking beer. But this belief keep in mind that if you want to increase your weight, you need to drink a beer. And later, over the period of time, when he meet his friend who has gained the weight, and he asked him, "How did you increase weight?" and he said, "I increased my weight due to beer." So now his belief becomes strong that for increasing weight, I need to drink a beer. And from that, he started drinking beer every Sunday, and also started eating chicken. Already he was a non-vegetarian, but now he shifted to non-vegetarian just because of this belief. And then later, he met his one friend whose father is in army, so he used to take him seriously, and he told him, if you want to increase weight, you don't need to drink beer once in a week. You have to drink every day. And just due to this belief, this one belief, he started drinking every day. And after 6 months, no weight gain. And when he searched on internet, it found out that it is genetic. And to beer, weight is not increased, and at the same time, you need to do exercise. But just due to this one value, his life is completely different. Like, if he was not drinking beer, he has another friends, he has good college life. Or if at his family, instead of taunting him, अगर उन्होंने उन्हें उसे good advice दी हुई, like, you are underweight is okay, you need to just eat healthy and you need to exercise daily, then this one thought will change his life completely, will give you a completely different direction. Like, in first case he was doing all those things, in second case maybe enjoying the college life, not meeting the classes, not drinking the beer, and enjoying gym. But just due to this one belief, his life was completely different. At the same time, sir has given another example of math student. One student solve the problem, half hour not solve. Another student also solve the problem, half hour not solve. One go to bazaar and after coming take new subject, and one keep solving and solve. And two different belief. Math is difficult, and second one is math is difficult, but if you study regularly, you can solve it. And just due to these two beliefs, his life is completely different. So before putting any belief in your mind, think thousand of times, that because these belief are going to decide your life for next 10 to 15 years or whole life. So solution, belief. Why we can't study? Because we have belief we can't study regularly, and thus due to belief we don't study. So this is 7-day regularity challenge. When we complete this 7-day regularity challenge, the one win or memory will be fit in our mind that I can study regularly. So through this action, through this memory, through this belief, new actions that will discover about your belief that our belief was wrong, and these answers or solution are going to change our wrong beliefs and give you a new direction. Because just one belief, one math student become a genius in math, and another student said math is difficult and never take any field which is related to math. So before choosing your beliefs, must think.